Hello students. In this portion of my theory class for in the of the topic a brief introduction to pharmaceutical microbiology. This is the third portion. As in the previous two portion, I have discussed briefly about the introduction to the microbiology, what is microbiology, its different branches, and in next video I have discussed the history of microbiology. So in this portion of this introduction part, I will discuss the pharmaceutical microbiology. So what is pharmaceutical microbiology? It can be defined as the study of microorganisms that are pertinent to the production of antibiotics, enzymes, vitamins, vaccines, and other pharmaceutical products. It also incorporates the study of microorganisms that cause pharmaceutical contamination and degradation, deterioration, and spoilage of raw material. So pharmaceutical microbiology covers all these aspects. So I am going to now discuss the various products that are manufactured by microbiology, by microorganisms in various pharmaceutical industries. Pharmaceutical industry means the various vaccines and as well as various medicinal industries. The first one is vaccine. Vaccine. What is vaccine? Vaccine is a biological preparation that improves the immunity to a particular disease. A vaccine typically contains an agent that resembles the disease-causing organisms and is often made from weaken or kill form of microbes, its toxin, or one of its surface proteins. So, vaccines are mainly can be mainly produced by using different kind of microbes. There are different kind of vaccines like kill vaccines, where kill vaccine, then we have inactivated vaccine, then we have toxoid, then we have sera. These all are kind of vaccines that can be produced using different kind of microorganisms. The next one is antibodies. So antibodies, also known as immunoglobulin, it is a large Y-shaped protein produced by beta cell that is used by the immune system to identify, neutralize foreign substances such as bacteria and viruses. So nowadays monoclonal antibodies are produced by different using mice. So monoclonal antibody is one of the most advanced and effective antibodies can be produced by this using pharmaceutical microbiology. Then we have antibiotics or antibacterial agent. An antibacterial agent that inhibits the growth of bacteria and also kills the bacteria. Various microorganisms that are used for isolation of antibiotics, for example, beta-lactam antibiotics, which include the penicillins produced from fungi in the genus Penicillium. Then we have probiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria that have a beneficial effect on the host of animal by contributing to its intestinal microbial balance. So probiotics is nowadays has found many applications. Is one of the newly growing industry in pharmaceutical field. Then in enzyme production, microbiology in enzyme production. There is a large number of microorganisms which produce a variety of enzymes. Enzymes differ with the respect of the substrate. For example, Bacillus cereus used for the production of penicillinase. So there are various microbes that we can use for the production of different kind of enzymes. Mainly, Bacillus subtilis also used for the production of penicillinase and other kind of proteases. It all Bacillus subtilis can also be used for the production of protease enzyme, and different fungi like Aspergillus niger that also can be used for the production of different kind of enzymes. The next is vitamin production. Microorganisms are also used for the production of vitamins by the process of fermentation. One of the example of vitamin production is Streptomyces olivaceus can be used for the production of vitamin B12. Likewise, there are defined vitamins can be produced by using microorganism by the process of fermentation. Then microbiology, pharmaceutical application of pharmaceutical microbiology in medical devices. Microbiology play a significant role in medical devices such as fluorescent fusion, which are used for the fast and precise detection of pathogen in tissue samples. Then we have phage therapy. Phage therapy is the use of viruses or bacteriophages that infect bacteria for the treatment of bacterial infection. Phages are common in bacterial population and control and the growth of bacteria in many environments, including in the intestine, the ocean, and the soil. So, bacteriophages are viruses that infect bacteria and kill them. So, these are the various field in which pharmaceutical microbiology finds its applications. So, in these three videos, I have discussed briefly about the introduction part of pharmaceutical microbiology, its history, its applications, its branches. All I have discussed in these three videos. So that's all. Thank you.